Hey everyone, welcome to new releases for today. Today we have the Gingham Roses kit, which is a new collection here. Also, excuse my voice for today because it keeps coming and going all week. So one of the reasons why there was no plan with me this week on YouTube, but we are doing maybe one on Monday. Also, I'll give you guys a sneak peek at next week's releases in a bit. So yeah, this one is the Gingham Roses kit. Here are the full boxes here, and I just really love the way this kit came out. We have a few patterns and then a few that you can actually like write on if you need to. But yeah, this one is the full boxes. Then we have the functional icons here, the checklist boxes, the functional boxes, the functional deco sheet, and then the washi and the date header sheet, which is in the deluxe version. So you can actually see all of these online. I will link it all in the description down below, but this is a new kit released for today. Now let me show you guys a sneak peek for what's coming next week, because it's kind of what I've been working on all week. Alright, so here's a sneak peek for next week. We have monthly kits going into the shop. So here's the monthly banners, and then you have like your washi and some full boxes here. And then the second page is kind of more of a universal sheet. So you have like your date dots, a few of these like flags with like this month, next month, like payday stickers, and then the weekly ones that you can label like the skinny washi with. So for those of you who prefer a Monday start for the week versus like a Sunday start, and because this is more of a universal kit, you can always like cut these down if you need to or label them as you wish. So yeah, that is the new monthlies. I'll give you guys more details next week. Hopefully they will be all made to order, by the way, just because you can choose the month. So in case you want this one for like December for some reason, you can also do that. That is what's coming next week as a sneak peek. Figured I would show you guys what I was also working on. So that is it. Stay tuned for the monthlies coming next week. I might have something else releasing. I'm gonna have at least 6 monthlies. I'll show more of these later, but the Gingham Roses one is in the shop, and that is it for this week's release. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye everyone.